Sad day here at the scrapyard. We're gonna crush our beloved hearse. And to crush a hearse, we must weigh a hearse. So now with that, I'm going to go print the ticket. The ticket that's going to end the life of our beloved hearse. Let me get a ticket. Put it in our machine. We'll press that guy, 9-7, that guy. So let's do some elaboration on why we're crushing our beloved Cadillac hearse. Well, I'll tell you as soon as he moves it one more time. Okay, Easter Sunday, 2018. Mama's going to the grocery store. Pick up a couple more things to do Easter dinner. And upon pulling out of the grocery store, she got hit in her Mustang. This is her, I think this is a 13. This was her Mustang. And she was T-boned on the driver's side. They had to cut the door off the car to get so she could get out. Insurance came out, took one look at it, total lost it. Car's got the 6-speed manual in it. It's a 3.7 liter V6. It was a really good looking car though. And didn't have gap insurance, and they were kind of upside down on it, so insurance paid out what was left on the car pretty much, and that was it. So no money on top. And I was gonna buy this Toyota Corolla over here to fix, but instead we're gonna fix it and Mama's gonna drive it. So that's why my video didn't go up of this yet. So this car runs and it drives. Well, there's no wheels on it. They took the wheels back, but it does run and drive. It's got burnt valves in the motor is what they said. It skips a little bit here and there, but the skip comes and goes. So we're gonna fix that, and she's gonna drive that until we can save up some money and get her a new car. And the Mustang has been purchased from insurance, so that thing's a goner. They're gonna come pick it up. And in order to have some money, we're scrapping the hearse. So that's why he did what he did. So, anything you want to say? Scratches to scratches, rust to rust.
Yeah, some of that. And last ride.
Yeah.
Last tow.
3,500 pounds. There's a Jeep. Yeah, without a transmission. Yeah, the Hearse it ran okay, but the trans was shot. We were just going to swap a whole new 4.9 into it.
Yeah, about to wipe a new car.
But now Mama's got to have a new car, so crushing it to have money to get the Corolla and fix the Corolla, and she'll drive that. Now when she's done driving that, I'm going to try to buy it off of you, right? He didn't say anything. But anyway, so there's the story of why we crushed our beloved Cadillac Hearse. We crushed it to fix a Corolla because we crashed a Mustang. So, there you go. Alright, just keeping everybody in the loop. Anybody got a good Mustang for sale? Thanks for watching, guys.